Having bunions can be really painful. But, the pain can be even more agonizing after the operation. For this reason, many people opt to remove bunions naturally, which is to say, without surgery. More important than the aesthetic question, the majority of people affected by calluses can't stand the pain caused when walking or when wearing certain shoes all day long. Because of this, they look to see if there is any homemade remedy to try and get rid of them, and it turns out that yes, there is. If you're persistent and disciplined, the following methods will help you get rid of bunions and achieve the desired results. Learn to naturally get rid of bunions. To get rid of bunions without resorting to surgery, you have to begin by making sure that your feet are comfortable. To do this, you need to use light, comfortable shoes, where your calluses aren't pressed against your shoe, or cause much pain. With comfortable shoes, your bunions will bother you less and also make your skin softer. We also recommend that you don't use pointed or dull heels, since they make the position of your bunions worse. The best thing to do is to use sandals, which give a bit more freedom to your feet. If you require something for formal dress, bare feet bunions are a hereditary condition that generally affects women, but you can also get rid of them with good habits. In place of using shoes, it's better to walk around the home in bare feet. This helps strengthen the joints of your toes, reducing the pain. We also recommend that, at the beach, you walk barefoot, since it can actually be a form of exercise for your joints which helps to cure bunions completely. Foot exercises. There are many exercises which are ideal for getting rid of bunions without surgery. These manage to slow down the growth of bunions and the inversion of the big toe, which is often caused. The most effective exercise consists of stretching out the big toe and aligning it properly with the other toes. Then, flex all your toes and press them firmly on the floor or against a wall, so that they double back on themselves. Practice this exercise for about 10 seconds and repeat 3 times every day. Permanently align your toes. One infallible method to cure bunions is to align your toes. For this, wrap your whole foot in a bandage, including the toes, in a normal position, and separate the big toe from the rest with a crossover, or with a separate bandage. Little by little, the toes will adapt to a better position, stopping the development of bunions. This habit will keep your feet in a better position. It's important to do it daily and make it a habit so that your bunions will cause you less pain when walking. If you can't manage to do this yourself, it's best that you go and see a medical specialist, and see if they can help you do it easier. What you shouldn't do if you suffer from bunions and you want to get rid of them completely, and without surgery. There are activities that you need to avoid. One of is ballet, which, although it's a very pleasant and elegant form of dance, also has bad consequences for your feet, in particular the bones in your toes. You should also pay close attention to any activities which cause you greater pain with your bunions. The more care you take of your feet, the easier it will be to effectively get rid of your bunions. You'll be able to get rid of those bumps on your big toe with just those methods, for which you just need time and patience. That way you won't get to the stage where surgery is the only option. 5 tricks to eliminate nail fungus and strengthen nails. Nail fungus, a condition known as onychomycosis, is one of the main causes of weak nails and breakage. In the condition, a small white or yellow mark forms underneath the tip of the nail. The mark grows bigger as the fungal infection progresses.